And time for another one of our most popular selling models here. Chevrolet Chevelle. This particular one, 1972 two-door hardtop. Now, I know what you're thinking. If this is a 72, how come that's got 4 headlights? I'll get to that in a little bit, tell you all about this car. As you can see, bright blue, and the paint is fresher on this, so it is a newer paint. Front wheel disc, riding on American Racing 5-spoke torque thrust style wheels. Now we'll come up to this grille. As far as this grille, we've been seeing a little bit of a trend some people doing is they'll take a 72, a little different body style. They'll put up front a grille, bumper, headlights out of a 70, because you know what? Everybody loves the look of that 70. But 70s lots of times, lots and lots and lots of dollars they will go for. Some people taking 72s make them look like a 70, and they do it around on the rear end also. So if you think about driving this car, you don't have that year sticker up on the window, you don't have your title with you to show you what year it is, you're going to think you're driving a 70 Chevelle. So that's kind of the story behind those. Just want to fill you in on that. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, you can see the underside of this car. Engine bay, interior, trunk. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. And the reason we do advertise this as a 70 coupe, that is how it's titled. That's how the VIN will decode. That's how the VIN reads. It's just had a little cosmetic change up here. And as you can see, chrome, nice in the front of this car. Blacked out grille. Headlight surrounds looking good. And like I said, the paint is fresher on this too, so that does show well also. Now, underneath the hood, let's go to the power plant in this one and get into that a little bit. It is a 6-liter GM V8 underneath there with a carb setup. Electronic ignition. We'll pop the hood in a little bit so you'll be able to check it out. Here it runs, see exactly how they have that set up. A lot of things when this car was built that have been gone through and done to it. Where do we want to start here a little bit? It did come out of the Southwest before it was painted. It does have new front and rear glass. Go ahead and take a look at the interior. You'd have new carpeting, headliner, seats. So you got black vinyl buckets, horseshoe shifter on the floor, center console. Take a look up and down the side of this car. You can see it's straight, and again, paint has a nice luster to it. See reflection off the wall behind me. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Now, you can check out the underside pics. I mentioned that a little bit earlier. Take a look at the underside pics. You're going to see the chassis. It does have new front and rear shocks, rear springs, rear sway bar. The fuel tank was also replaced. Lines, pump, regulator, sending unit. All of that replaced just here in 2021. Does have a 355 posi rear end also. And again, those still pictures, so you can see the underside engine bay at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. You're also going to see a 3-inch stainless exhaust underneath there. When we pop the hood, tell you a few things we're going to see. Look at Hedman headers. Edelbrock carb is going to be on there. Intake and computer. Wires, plugs, alternator, starter, battery and cables, coolant hoses, thermostat, all that was replaced when this car was built also. As well as a master cylinder, power booster, flex lines, brake calipers, wheel cylinders, so a lot done on this car in the build. All right, I'm going to pause this a second and let's take a little closer look at the interior. We'll pop the hood. As you can see, cowl induction hood up there. We'll pop that, take a look underneath it. So, new door panels or door cards, carpeting, seats, vinyl. Of course, headliner, heard me mention that. All right, let's go ahead, fire this up so you can hear it run. The fuel pump kick in, electric fan, aluminum radiator. Hit the ignition. starts easily. Tachometer right over here. See that works. Oil pressure, water temp gauges added under the dash with a couple auxiliary outlets. Aftermarket retro style, or retro sound style radio, I guess I would say. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Door closes nicely. Little rumble coming out of that. Again, 6-liter Chevy V8 underneath there. That is paired up with a 700 R4 automatic transmission with overdrive, by the way. Alright, I'm going to pause this video a second. Let's pop the hood, let you check out the engine bay, take a look at that engine running underneath there.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Hood pop. There's your cowl induction hood. You see the brake booster. There's those headland headers. MSD LS series ignition. Look at how smooth that runs. So you can see a lot of the new components I was talking about. Sounding engine. So there you go, 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle with the looks of a 1970. 6-liter underneath the hood, automatic with overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes. Newer components all around. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com, down below this video in the description. Click on the link, it's going to take you right there. Phone number to call us, 507-386-1726. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call or email.